Hello viewers, welcome you all to your channel Big Bull Trading. Today I will show in this video, once you buy a share, how to put the stop loss and the target for the intraday without any cover order. So manually also you can put the stop loss and the target. Putting the stop loss is very important in any orders you are taking for the intraday, because without giving the stop loss you cannot survive in the market in the long run. Maybe 1 or 2 days you will make profit without putting the stop loss, but mental stop loss will not help. You have to manually put the stop loss in the system. For that, first I will just take any one share, for example IDFC Bank, and first I will sell the share, for example. Okay, so I will sell at the current market price. This is the one intraday. This is the simple order you can go for. You can put the limit, means the price, what price you want, or the market price, whichever you want. For example, I will put it in the market price, so automatically it will sell the order. So once we put this, you can see the order is completed. So I sold the share already. So if you go in the position, you can see that once share is sold at the price of 56.70. So now I will show you how you can put the stop loss and the target. So you have to go here and you have to go to the square of. For example, the price is 56.65. So you want the target, you can go in the limit and you can put your target. For example, what target you want, the price, this is the quantity one, you want the share to become 56, for example. So you put the share as 56 and you put the review square of. This order is placed and it's in the system. So if you go and check in the orders, you see one order is open, correct? Now again you go to the position, go to again this one and go to again the square of. Now you want to put the stop loss. So how to put the stop loss? If you want to put the stop loss, go to the stop loss market. You can put stop loss limit and stop loss market both, but I prefer stop loss market always. The quantity is 1 and for example the price is now 56.60. You want to put the stop loss at 57.06. So you put the price as 57.06. It should be in the multiple of 10, so you put 56.10 and you put the bottom. So you can see the order is already placed. So if you go in the order, you see two orders are there. One is the trigger pending, this is for the stop loss. Once it achieve 57.10, automatically it will be cut out from the system. The other for my target is 56. So for now, after you put this, you think I want to change the target. So you can again go here, you can go to the modify button and for example you tell I want the target as 56.60. So you put this 56.60 and you put it in the system, or just to I will show you more fast example, you put it as 56.60. okay, and once you place the order in the system, you can see the price is changed, it's now 56.60. so you have to wait for a few seconds for the price to come and the order will be executed. So now you can see this 56.60, the order is completed. So if you go in the positions, you see you have 0 shares, so the order is sold out, you don't have any share. So again you go back to the order form and that stop loss you have to manually cancel. This is very important, you have to manually cancel the stop loss. You want to cancel? Yes, I want to cancel the order. So it's cancelled. So now you can see in the system. And one more very important point, after every order you finish, always go to the position to see it's 0. This is very important, step 1. And step 2, go to the order form and see whether any pending order is there, because sometimes if you are busy, your mind is somewhere else, you will place the order and you will forget. That will order will execute it at that price, and end of the day it will give you more losses. So like this you can see how you can put the target and the stop loss both manually. So friends, if you like this video, please share it with the others and subscribe to my channel also. As of now, for today, thank you and bye bye.